Okay. I still can't find my damn wrench, the breaker bar. And the thing is, the breaker bar, wherever I put it, has both the sockets I have that fit these nuts. But these are already loose enough where I could do it with my hands. Where the heck did I put it? I used it to jack up the red one. Took it out. Oh, that one's over too hard. Great. Oh, I need to find that damn breaker bar. Where did I put it? I do have another socket that fits, so I can. Still is pretty weak. If you ever want to actually use it for one of these, let me try this. Oh, there it goes. It's multi-speed. I had it on the weakest setting. Alright, you see now that we've got this off, and I've taken out that Torx head. I should be able to just take this off with one hand. But that's it, you just wiggle it off. Alright, you take your new rotor. Try not to touch the surface. And just line up your little hole right there. Put that back in. No good duggers. Good dugger. Oh, my back. Oh, I got a cramp. Oh, I got a cramp. Yeah. Old man problems. Like that. Bam. See, look. Let's see if I can show you. See how there's a piston in here, and the piston is pretty much even now with the with its base, and that's when you know you're done. So now I'm gonna loosen this up. Over the brakes. And you make sure you close this valve, or else your brakes will not work, period. I, on the other hand, did not. And I have the patience of a 4-year-old. Bye-bye. The kit I used was the Terrafirma rotor kit, and I used EBC green stuff brakes with it. They've been operating really well so far. I've enjoyed them. I haven't had any issues with it. There you go, me struggling with the jack. And then I just used the, this was right after I fixed the suspensions, and I just lifted up to full ride height, the off-road height, and then I was able to pull that out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.